Imagine your body suddenly stops working. You can't move, speak, or see clearly, but every medical test comes back normal. That could be FND. If you've never heard of FND, you're not alone, but for the people living with it, it's life-changing. FND, or functional neurological disorder, happens when the brain signals get scrambled. The hardware, which is your body, is fine, but the software, your brain's communication system, is misfiring. It can look like a stroke, a seizure, or complete paralysis. Sometimes it causes tremors or vision loss, and the hardest part, people often get told it's all in their head. But it's not psychological, it's neurological. It's real, it's measurable, and it's exhausting to live with someone and something that can't see it. If you love someone with FND, patience means everything. They're not being dramatic. Their brain is just fighting to reconnect the dots. FND doesn't make you weak. It proves how strong your brain really is, and for trying again and again and again. I'm Heather with Robbins Alliance, and I believe the more we talk about it, the less people will suffer in silence.